Good morning, students. How are you, students? Kanagavel, Shambhavi, Tarun, Dilraj, Gyanvi, Ayush, Asmita Bag, Baswar Raja, Dilip Rathak. A very good morning to all of you. So, our today's topic is matrices and determinants. Matrices and determinants, है ना? But before that, I'll give you a short, brief introduction of what we are here up to. Actually, in this lockdown period, we find the students are finding problem in preparing themselves at their peak performance. So we at Career 360 have decided upon a mega revision marathon, live session classes, okay, online mega revision marathon for JEE Main 2020 aspirants. We have decided to assist you in your preparation, and this is not going to hamper your POA, that is your plan of action. You just integrate whatever we are trying to give you in your own preparation. Ankita Yadav, a very good morning. So, shall we start the session, students? Hello. Shall we start? Satvika ready. Good morning. So, we start the session, without waiting further. The total number of matrices. Good morning, Tanya. Yeah, I'm fine, Jatin. I'm very fine. Thank you for asking. So, we have the total number of matrices is Minakshi. Good morning. Mamta, good morning. So, here we have to find the total number of matrices. Total number of matrices when x is not equal to y, and this statement which is given, I am slightly changing. It is A into A transpose, है ना? It's like this, 3I3. Okay, now do the question. Okay, now how many matrices are possible? Ronak Kumar. Go ahead with the question, students. Yes, it is A into A transpose. How many matrices are possible? Vishnu Pratap, thank you. Thanks a lot, Vishnu Pratap. So, students, today yesterday we decided that today we'll make make a record of how many students are getting the right answer. Okay, every right answer will carry 4 marks and every wrong answer will carry -1. Okay, let's see who takes the first 3 slots in the last. Okay, so everyone will make a record of his or her own answers. So right answer 4 marks, wrong answer -1. Okay. So I know today's topic would be a little bit more calculative. You will be calculating a lot. So let's see, how do we calculate the total number of matrices? I3 is the identity matrix of third order. So is anybody ready with the answer? Is anybody ready with the answer? Yes? No one is giving me an answer. What happened? It is so difficult. Tarun, Gyanvi, Satvika ready, Minakshi, Jatin Raj. I'm waiting for an answer. What answer do you get? Yes, students. No answer I get still. Okay. Nobody is giving me an answer. That's pretty amazing. It's not that difficult, students. Tarun, D. Okay. Tarun, wait for my answer and then you can mark it +4 or -1. Okay, Tarun? Gyanvi, sir, solving. Okay, Gyanvi, go ahead. Sai, you are giving 3 as your answer. 3 you mean C part or B part? Sai? Yes, Jatin Raj, I'll wait for a while. Go ahead. Because today's chapter will carry more of calculations, Satvika ready C. Sai, you are giving me B as your answer. So that 3 was your answer. So B, make a note of the answers what you are giving, and then we'll compare it with the answers which I'll solve. Okay? Which we'll get finally. Yes, students, more students I want who can give me an answer. Nirav, a very good morning. Dilip Ratha B. Okay, Dilip. So have a look here. A into A transpose. So A is 0, 2x, 2x, 2y. Yes, Senthil, good morning. Sorry, A. Dilip Ratha. Okay, A is your answer. No problem, Senthil. Join us. Y minus y. No problem, Dilip. Your answer would be considered as A. 1 minus 1, 1. Huh? And I write the transpose of it. How do we calculate a transpose? Jatin Raj D. Okay. How do we calculate a transpose? We change the rows into columns. So we have 0, 2y, 1, 2x, y minus 1. And then I have 2x minus y and 1. Am I right? This is A into A transpose. Okay. Ayush D you are getting. Okay. Let's see. This is when I multiply here row wise, here column wise I should take. Hai na? So what matrix I'll get? 0 into 0 I'll get 0. 2y into 2y I'll get 4y square. And then 1 into 1 I'll get 1. That would be the first element. Hai na? Let me also calculate, let me also get an equation. Yes, D, Basava Raja, you are getting D as your answer. Okay. I'll take up one more case, one more element I'll calculate. I'll not calculate it fully. That is not required. I'll calculate one more equation which involves x as well. So I'll multiply the second row with the second column to get the A22 element. Hai na? So 2x into 2x is 4x square. And y into y is y square, and then 1 into minus 1 is minus 1. Am I right? Huh? So Rupa Mandal D. Okay, this matrix is equated to 3i3. So 3i3 is 3 0 0 0 3 0 0 0 3. Am I right? So on Swaminathan, you're hello. Hello, join us. So what do we get when we equate? We get 4y square plus 1 is equal to 3. Huh? So what is y square I get? I get 2 by 4. Huh? So what y I'll get? Plus minus 1 by 2. This is the value of y which I'll get. Mala Jaswal, a very good morning. Join us quickly, Mala. You have lost one question. Still the first question is going on, but the participation you have lost. Please join it fast. The 4x square, I'll make use of the second equation. This is equal to 0. So plus y square is 1 by 2 minus 1, that's equal to 0. So this will give me x square is equal to minus half. That goes on the other side, 1 d. Okay. I'll get y square only, na? Yeah. So that is 1 by 2. So minus half I get. Root 2. Yeah, you're right. 1 by root 2. Yeah, that's correct only. Y is plus minus 1 by root 2. Agreed. Agreed, Ganvi. Ashit Shikhar, hello. So what do we get here? X is 1 by 8. Hai na? 1 by 8 I'll get. Isn't plus 1 in A22. A22 is 3. Sorry, I wrote it wrongly. This is 3. Hai na? You're right. You're right. So what do I get? Here this is 3. So what do I get? I get half. That is minus half. That goes on the other side. That is, I think, a slight mistake I have done. Huh? 4x square plus y square minus 1 into minus 1 is, this is plus 1 if I'm not wrong. This is plus 1, है ना? This is plus 1. A slight mistake I have done. So this is plus 1 because here when I change 2x to y to, that is this column, I change this row, I change it to column, so I get 2x, y and 1. So here it would be plus 1. Am I right? So plus 1. Now it's okay. So x square is equal to, what do I get here? 3 by 2. It goes on the other side. So I get 4x square is equal to 3 minus 3 by 2. So what do you get? 3 by 2, or x is equal to plus minus root 3 by 8. Am I right? This is right. Okay. Yes, Gyanvi, thank you for giving me the correction. It is 4x square plus y square plus 1. Am I right? And that's equal to 3. So we get x as, we get two values of x, we get two values of y. So how many coordinates we are going to get? 4 coordinates. One with plus plus, one with plus minus, one with minus plus, and one with minus 1. Minus with minus. So I'll get 4 matrices in all. Is it okay, students? Yes. I hope this is okay with you, students. So let me go on to the next question. Are you all ready for the next question? Yes, students? Are you all ready for the next question? Yes? Yeah, all ready. Okay, we go to the next question. That's alpha be a root of the equation x square plus x plus 1 and the matrix. Yes, Shivam, we go to the next question. So you read it, then the matrix A raised to power 31 is. Okay, go ahead. Try out this question, students. Yes, a bit of calculation would be there, no doubt about that. But I think you will make it. So how many got plus 4? Yes, and how many got minus 1? Please make a record of it. And in the last, we'll see who wins. Hai? Gyanvi, yes, we were to write only the pairs. Only this will give number of matrix. Yes, beta. Yes, Gyanvi. You got 2 pairs of x, 2 pairs of y. They would give you 4 matrices, 2 into 2. Hai na? I hope you understand, Gyanvi. Yes. Plus 4, Ayush. Very good. Go on. Move on to the next question, Ayush. Yes. So we have alpha be the root of the equation. Do you recognize this equation, by the way? X square plus x plus 1 is equal to 0. Don't we get this equation when we solve complex numbers and we find cube roots of unity? Yatan Raj, 4 marks. Yes. Meenakshi, it's not clear. Which one, beta? The previous question? Previous question is not clear. Omega and omega square. Yes, Ayush, you're right. Yes, Gyanvi, you're giving C answer. So, okay. Yes, Meenakshi, which one you're talking of? This previous question. You see, I calculated A11 and A22 and I equated to 3 and 3. And that way, acha, this one. This one is not clear. I don't get you. I mean, okay. What are you referring to? Kanagavel, you are giving me C as an answer. Let me answer, Meenakshi. This one is not clear. You mean to say the video is not clear or what you are referring to? Tell me, Meenakshi. So what do we have here, students? Shivam, you are giving me B as an answer. Okay, everybody will record his or her answer and let's see who will get the marks. Okay, and in the last we'll see the first 3 slots. Image. Okay, can you again, you just cross the live chat and then again start the live chat. I mean, again start the video. Yes, Meenakshi. The image is quite clear to everyone. You can do it at your end, Meenakshi. So let alpha be the root of this equation. So if we recognize this equation, any other answers? Any other answers? I am waiting, students. So this equation x square plus x, still you have a chance. Huh? Yes, students. Meenakshi, now you got the answer. C. Okay. Okay. Anyone else who is going to give me an answer? So here I'll get x is equal to Ashishikar C, Tarun C. Okay. X equal to omega and omega square. If you realize omega square plus omega plus 1 is equal to 0, that's the cube roots of unity. Okay. So omega and omega square are the values of alpha. Okay. So I'll consider alpha as omega and alpha square as omega square. So what do I have here? A as A is 1 by root 3 and 1 omega, I mean it's a matrix, 1 omega square, 1 omega square, and omega raised to power 4 would be omega only, hai na? Okay. Yes, Dilip Rata, Ankita, C you are getting. So this is A. Okay, let's see what is A square, hai na? So A square would be 1 by root 3 into 1 by root 3, I'll get 1 by 3, hai na? And let's see what is A square. That is, I'll write it A square as 1 by root 3 whole square, and I'll write here 1 omega square, 1 omega square omega, hai na? I'll write A square here. Okay, then what do I get? This into this. So 1 into 1, so I'll get 1 only. Okay, so this is the first value which I'll get. Then this, the same into the second column, that is 1 plus omega square, that would be 0, hai na? Then the same row into the third column, so that would be again 0, because 1 plus omega square is nothing but 0. Am I right? Then I calculate second row into first column, that would be 1 plus omega square, that is 0, hai na? And then what do I get? I get this row. Yeah, Sai, you remember doing this question? Okay, that's great. This row into second column. So 1 plus omega square plus omega 4, that is omega only. So that's again 0. Here we'll get 0. Similarly, here we'll get 0. Here we'll get, no, here we'll get 3. I mean 1. Hai na? Am I right? Yes. I think there will be 3. You are right. This is 3. This is 3 only. You are right only. And this is 3. Yes, Ayush. Instead of 1, there will be 3. And here also 3. And here you'll get 0. Here you'll get 3. And here you'll get 0. Okay, that's 3. Because 1 into 1 will be 1. 1 into 1 will be 1. And 1 into 1 will be 1. So I'll add up and I'll get 3. Okay, this is A square. Then can somebody tell me what would be A4? A4 would be 1 by 3 square, hai na? That is 1 by 9, and I'll have 3 0 0 0 0 3 0 3 0. A4 would be A square into A square, hai na? So this would be 3 0 0 0 0 3 0 3 0. Am I right? Now, when I multiply it, I get A4 as 1 by 9, and here I get again identity matrix, if I'm not wrong, 3 into 3, 9. 9 I'll get, then rest of it would be 0. So 9, here I'll get 9, here I'll get 9. Okay, here will be 0, here's all zeros I'll get. Hai na? So what is this? This is identity matrix, because 9 and 9 would cancel. Am I right? Am I right or wrong? I think 9 would come common. Sorry, 3 3 is 9. Yeah, this into this. 9 only would come, na? Okay. And here, this and this would multiply. So I'll get 0 0 3 3 is 9. Hai na? Here I'll get 9. Here I'll get 9. Yes. So this is the identity matrix. So once I get the identity matrix, hai na? Now A31 is required from me. What would be A31 equal to? A31 would be equal to A into A raised to power 4 raised to power 7, that is 28, and then A cube would remain. So that is identity matrix raised to power 7. Am I right? And A cube would be there. By the way, 999 you'll get, so you'll get 19 would be cancelled and 81 would be you would get, है ना? That's right. So A cube you will get. A31 would be equal to A cube. Am I right? Yes. So not this would be I only, and we'll get A cube. C is the right answer. Sir, I am getting A as 1 root 3. Can we do anything with this? A as 1 root 3. So A is 1 by root 3 now. That's right only. So then what? W2 to W. Can we do not do anything with this? Okay, 2018. Yes. So Tarun, you get +4. Very good. Who else is getting the marks here? Yes, very good. Okay. Yes, again 4 marks. Wonderful, Jatin. Okay. So we move on to the next question. Are you ready for the next question? +4. Ayush Kumar, omega. What you are saying omega? Omega won't come, beta. A is a matrix in itself. Omega won't be the answer. Ankita Yadav +4. Okay, very good. So we go to the next question. Okay. A is equal to 229. Yes. 2294 and I is equal to 1001. है ना? Then 10A inverse is. Okay, students. Go ahead with your answers. Yes. Omega, that omega, sir, that I have written. I understand. Omega is you have written. So what do you want to say about omega, Ayush? Tarun, C you are getting. Ayush, C you are getting. Okay, you are giving me so quick answers. Tarun, C. Okay, let's see what the answer is. Okay, Kanagavel, C. 4I minus A. That's what you are referring to? Okay, let's see. Okay, who else? Kanagavel, C. Achyut Shikhar, C. Ankita Yadav, C. Okay, students, let's see. The matrix is, anyone else who is going to give me an answer? So we move on to the solution for this. Let's say A is equal to A inverse. A is 2294. That is A. And let's say A inverse is A, B, C, D. Any problems with this? Jatin Raj, C. Asmita, C you are getting. Okay. Let me take it A, B, C, D. So can somebody tell me what is A into A inverse? Tell me. That is I itself, है ना? A into A inverse is I itself. So I'll multiply A into A inverse. What do I get here? I get 2A plus 2C. That would be the first element. Then 2B plus 2D. That would be the second element. And 94 into AC, so I'll get 9A plus 4C. Then I'll get 9B plus 4D. This is A into A inverse. Okay. Now, this would be identity matrix. Yes, Tarun, you're right only. This would be A into A inverse is identity matrix. So 0, 0, 1. That's what I'll get. So I'll get an equation on comparison. 2A plus 2C would be equal to 1. Then again I'll have an equation for 9A plus 4C, that is equal to 0. I'll solve these two equations to get a little fast forward the calculation. A would be equal to minus 2 by 5. Am I right? And B would be equal to 1 by 5. Okay. B would be equal to 1 by 5. And what is C equal to? C equal to 9 by 10. And D would be equal to, there's another way of writing it. D is equal to minus 1 by 5. These are the values which I'll get. Okay. Now once obtained these values, 10A inverse 10A inverse would be, if I multiply by 10, tell me what would happen. I'll get 10A inverse. So A inverse, if I substitute these values A, B and C and D, all these values I substituted here. So what do I get? 10A inverse when I'll write, so I'll get minus 4, then I'll get 5 here would get multiplied to 10, so I'll get 2. Am I right? Yes, Gyanvi? You are getting B as your answer. I think you are right, Gyanvi. Rupa Mandal, B is the right answer. C would be 9, and this place would be 9, and this place would be minus 2. Am I right? Now this is 10A inverse. Just see A minus 6 inverse, 6I. A minus 6I would be A, that is 2294, and minus 6006. Tell me what is this? This would be, in fact, this thing only, 10A inverse, that is minus 4, 2, 9 and minus 2. Am I right, students? That is nothing but 10A inverse. Isn't this right? Yes, it's B. No problem, Kanagavel. Give minus 1 to yourself. No problem. Yeah. Sanskriti Mishra, B. But you are late. I have already told. I have already arrived at the B answer. Okay, students? Yes. I hope everybody understands it. Now, what will be the next question? Shall I go to the next question? Shall I go to the next question, students? Minus 1, no problem, Asmita, Sai. Okay. So, next question, can I move on to? Yes. Right, I go to the next question. Yes, students. What's that? A is given and A into A transpose is I3. Then mod of P is equal to, okay? Total, how many questions we'll solve? 2-3 questions more we'll solve. Okay, next question. 3-4 more questions. Now, after this question, we'll go on to the determinants. Okay, Ashachika? So, what do we have here? We have 0 to QR, PQ minus R, P minus QR. If A into A transpose is I3, then mod of P is equal to, Come on, tell me. Girdhar, yes, it's an orthogonal matrix. Tell me, how would you solve? Okay. Yes, students, I'm waiting for your answer. Acha, by the way, you're going with the question. You're doing the question. I should tell you one very important thing for your preparation. But please do understand that, okay, Parthamesh, you are getting A as your answer. Okay. The point is that you should prepare in such a way, Aditya, you are getting A. You should prepare in such a way that in the timings between 10 to 1 or maybe 9 to 12, 9 to 1, between 9 to 1 and 2 to 5, your maximum performance of the best peak performance of your mind should happen in these hours. Okay, so you should prepare in such a way. You should tame your mind in such a way that it gives you best performance of your mind in these hours. Morning 9 to 1 and afternoon 2 to 5. Okay, Ashish Shikhar A, Gyanvi A, Soumya Balaji A. Okay, let's see what do we have. So it's more of a calculative nature, This question is more of a calculative one. So what do we have? We have A into A transpose. So A is 0 to QR. Ankita A, Kanagavel A. Okay. P, Q, so minus R. And then we have P minus Q, R. And I take the transpose. So that would be 0 to QR, P, Q minus R. Then I have P minus QR. This is A into A transpose. Sanskriti Mishra, A you are getting? Yes, most of you, in fact, everyone who has given me an answer is getting A. Jatin Raj, A. Okay. So what matrix do we get? First of all, we'll multiply it. So I'll go row wise here and here column wise. So 0 to q to q is 4q square. Then plus r square. Am I right? 4q square plus r square. Yes, everybody is getting, and I'll quickly do it. Here I'll get 2q square minus r square. Here I'll get 2q square minus r square. Same here. Same minus 2q square plus r square I'll get here. Here I'll get p square plus q square plus r square. P square plus q square plus r square. Here I'll get p square minus q square minus r square. Here what do I get? I get minus q square plus r square. Is it okay, students? 1 by root 2. Yeah, you're right only, Aditya. And then this is p square. I mean, this same whatever we have got it here. And here, whatever is here, we get the same thing here. So I am writing this in such a way. I hope you guys have solved. This value you'll get it here at A23 position, and this value you'll get same as A22. You'll get A33 as same. Okay. So now what do you have? You want to equate it with 1 0 0 0 1 0 0 0 1. Am I right? So when you equate it with this, you get 4q square plus r square. That would be equal to p square plus q square. P square plus q square plus r square, because this is A22 and A33 both. This would be equal to 4q square plus r square. That would be equal to 1. Am I right? Hello? And similarly, we'll solve the other equations. 2q square minus r square would be 0. And p square minus q square minus r square is also equal to 0. So this is what I'll have. Now, if I put these values here, what do I get? I am interested in p. So if I equate these two, I get p square equal to, by comparing A32 and A33 in the left hand side and right hand side. Okay, I'll just make a quick note here. So here what do I get? Here when I equate these two, r square is cancelled. You get p square is equal to 3q square. Am I right? P square is equal to 3q square. Now when I equate this and this, I get q square is equal to 1 minus r square by 4. So I write this. I'm interested in p. So q square is p square by 3. So here I get q square is equal to r square by 2. Q square is equal to r square by 2. Or r square is equal to 2q square. So I get q square is equal to 1 minus 2q square by 4. If I put this value here, it's easier to do with A23 and A33. Okay, A23 is this. Sorry, the last one, p square minus q square minus r square. And A23 is this one, p square minus q square. I'll take the advice of Giridhar. He's saying I'll take this A23, that is this, and this is equal to 0. I've already written. Then what do I have? A33 is p square plus q square plus r square. You're right only. That's 1. I agree to you, Giridhar. Yes. Vivek, a very good morning. We add these two. What do I get? 2p square. This and this would cancel. I'll get 1, or I'll get p is equal to 1 by root 2. I mean mod. P would be plus minus 1 by root 2. Yes? Very good. So you get 1 by root 2 as the answer. Thank you, Giridhar, and as well as Sai. Thank you. Thank you for that. Aditya, you also told me the right thing. Okay. Yes, Achish Shekhar. Can I move on to the next question? Huh? Yes, students? Can I move on to the next question? Psi 4. Yeah, most all of you would get 4 questions, 4 marks, I think. That's perfect. Okay. Now, can we move on to the determinants question? Huh? Let's go to a determinant question. What do you say? So, let's go on to this. Yes, we have this big determinant. Okay, what is spoken about this? This is A, in fact. This matrix is A. It is told, no, it's not a determinant, it's a matrix only. And what does it say is, it is not invertible for any t belonging to real number. Invertible for certain values. Yes, students, a little bit of calculation would be required. Go ahead. Yes, I hope you will be able to make out. We are having a tally of, questions, correct answers, wrong answers. Make a list of your own that how many correct and wrong answer you are giving. Okay. D for determines. Okay. Invertible for all t belonging to real number. Is that so? Okay, Tarun. Sir, can you write the equation again? Which equation, beta? Which equation you want me to write? I mean, here there is no equation. Jatin, what you are referring to? The determinant you mean to say? You want me to write the determinant? You want me to write the determinant, student? Tell me. Okay. So, I'm waiting for the answers, students. The determinant. Okay, Jatan Raj, I'll write the determinant. Okay, I'll write the determinant, student. First column. Okay, Ayush, you are ready with the answer. First column is all ET. Okay, all the terms are e raised to power t. And then Surendra Kumar Das, hello, how are you? And he second column is e minus t cos t minus e minus t cos t minus e minus t sin t. This is the A22 element. Okay. Then the third element is 2e minus t sin t. Okay. Sin t. Rupam Mandal A you are getting. Okay. And the third is e minus t sin t. Third column. And then Aditya, invertible only at t is equal to pi by 2. Okay. And here, this A23 element, I am writing it here, Jatin. It is minus e minus t sin t plus e minus t cos t. Okay. And A33 is minus 2 e minus t cos t. Okay. Okay, Jatin. Oh, well, welcome, beta. Sorry, D is the correct answer. Ayush, you are giving me D as an answer. Ayush, you are getting D. Mona Lisa Nayak, hello. Welcome here. Now, what we'll get here, just let us find out. Okay, let's solve it. So first of all, from the first column, I can take e raised to power t common, है ना? From the second column, I can take e raised to power minus t common. And from the third column, I can take e raised to power minus t column. Am I right or wrong? So when I take all the three terms common, this and this would cancel to give you 1 and e raised to power minus t would remain. So I'll have e raised to power minus t, and then you have, now for invertible, I want to find out for what values of the determinant of this 1 1 1 cos t minus, for what values it is becoming 0, है ना? Cos t minus sin t, and this is 2 sin t, and this one is sin t, and this one is minus sin t, and this one is cos t, and this one is minus 2 cos t. Okay, I want to see what this solving the determinant we get 5. No, we don't get 5. Yes, you're right only. We get 5. Okay, you're talking about the determinant. Yes, you're right. On solving the determinant, you would be surprised we'll get 5. So this is equal to 5 e raised to power minus t. And this cannot be 0 for any values of t belonging to real number. That's right. Thank you, Ayush. On solving the determinant, we get the value as 5. Acha Shikhar. So this is invertible. For invertible, what was the condition? That the determinant should not be equal to 0. That is not equal to 0 for all values of t. Okay. So we get A as the correct answer. Is it okay, students? Yes. I don't think anybody would require me to solve the whole determinant. Yeah. Anybody can solve that determinant, Hannah, and we get 5 as the answer. Okay. Can we move on to the next question? Hello, students. Is it okay? Plus 4, Ayush. Yeah. Can I move on to the next question? Yes, students. Let's see what this is. We have A is equal to Aij matrix, B is equal to Bij, B2 3 by 3 real matrices. Okay, Aij and Bij, such that what is given? Just go ahead. If the determinant of B is 81, the determinant of B is 81, where Ij belongs to 1 to 3. Obviously, 3 by 3 matrix, they will belong to 1 to 3. If the determinant is B81, then the determinant of A is, we have to find the determinant of A, है ना? And B and Bij and Aji are related, okay? So, let's see how do we calculate it. Okay, students, yes, go ahead with this question. Let's see what your answer is. Let's see what your answer. I'm waiting for the answers. Okay, there is one more thing which one has to take care about in writing these exams. That many a times I have found the students getting bored in writing advanced paper 1 and 2. They say that in the mid of the paper they become, tired of writing the paper. And that's true. Relation between Bij, Aij is not visible. Okay, I'll write it, Gyanvi, for you. I don't think it would be a problem for everyone, but I'll write it for you. Okay? So it is Bij is equal to 3 raised to power I plus j minus 2, okay, into Aji. That's it. Okay, now it's okay, Meenakshi? Yes. I have written the relation between Bij and Aji. Okay? Acha Shikhar A. I cannot zoom from my side, Tarun. Tarun D you are getting. Okay. You're pretty quick. Jatin Raj. Okay. Acha Shikhar, 1 by 9 is the answer. So 1 by 9 is which choice, beta? You have to give me the choice. I'll have to look in for. That is one choice. Choice A, hai na? Okay, let's see. Acha Shikhar, pretty quick. So I was speaking of students. You keep doing and listen, hai na? Yes, Ayush, go ahead. Pratmesh A. Mona Lisa Nayak A. So I was speaking of that while writing the paper, a student feels, sometimes, many times, mentally tired. And he or she thinks, even though he knows the question, he thinks that, okay, I don't want to do it further. I think that many of you find yourself in such a problem. So this is lack of mental stamina. There are many students who do not study at a stretch, and that's where the problem comes in. You have to devote at least 3 hours boot on your study table continuously, so that you have a practice of, sitting for 3 hours continuously and with full focus. Okay, Sanskriti A, Basmavar Raja A, Sanskruti Mishra A, Jatin Raj A. Okay, let's see what do we have here. We have determinant B. Hana? I'll write determinant B straight away. What's that? That is first element. I is 1, J is 1. So 1 plus 1, 2. 2 minus 2, 0. So 3 raised to power 0 I'll get, Hana? And that is A11. Am I right? This way I'll keep on writing. The second element here, A12, would be 3 raised to power 1, A12. Then the second element, third element would be 3 square, A13. Hana? Then here I'll get 3 raised to power 1, A21. Here I'll get 3 square, A22. And 3 raised to power 2, yeah. And this would be 3 cube, A23. Am I right? And the determinants I complete. And here it would be 3 square, A31. Hana? Okay. Then what do I have here? 3 cube. 3 cube, A32. Hana? And this one I'll have 3 raised to power 4, A33. Am I right, students? Okay, what do I get next? I write determinant B is, I take 3 common from the second row and 3 square common from the third row. So what do I get? 3 cube is common. And what do I have? I have A11. Because 3 raised to power 1, 3 raised to power 0 is 1 only. Then we have 3A12. Then we have 3 square A13. Hai? And this is what? 3 is gone. So A21, 3A22. And then we have 3 square A23. Because 3 is taken away from the second row, and then we have 3 square is gone here, so A31. Then I'll have 3 into A32, and here I'll have 3 square A33. Am I right? Now 3 can be taken common from here. 3 square can be taken common from here. So what do I get? I get determinant B. So 3 and 3 square, that is 3 cube, 3 raised to power 6 I'll get here. And at the same time I'll get determinant A. So determinant of A, B was given to me as what? What was given? 81. So this is 81, and 3 raised to power 6 is what? 9 into 9 into 9. Determinant A. So 9 9 81 cancels with it. So determinant of A is 1 by 9. Am I right? So 1 by 9, I'll get A is the answer to it. Okay, students? Done it? Hello? Are you done it? Have you done it? Okay. So can I move on to the next one? Yes, so students, please answer me quickly. A is the answer. Yeah, that's correct. Now we come to system of linear equations. We come to system of linear equations. Few questions we need to do from that portion as well. Let's see what is hidden for us. Can I move on to the next? Yes, Ayush, a little bit of calculation mistake. So what do we have here? We have system of linear equations has been given. So for certain values of A, what value of A, you will have the following as your answer. Okay. So let's see. Is inconsistent when A is equal to 4. Is inconsistent when mod A is equal to root 3. A and D are about inconsistency. Unique solution when mod determinant A is root 3. As infinitely many solutions for A is equal to 4. So which one will you take? Aditya, okay. Ax is equal to B. You are going for the matrix method, Tarun? Okay, it's your choice only. I'll be waiting for your answers. So I was talking of mental stamina. Like you have a physical body stamina. No? We speak of that one has to run a lot to create a stamina in yourself. Okay, to build up a stamina. It's a very slow, gradual process for your body. You prepare yourself by running stamina in yourself. Similarly, mental stamina is also prepared. It is also developed. So for that purpose, I recommend you studying 4 hours continuously. There are many students who just get fluttered whenever more than 1 hour or half an hour of a study is required continuously. So you have to put in all your brains inside. You have to put in all the focus, and then you should study for 4 hours at least continuously. You know? This way you need to practice. Okay, system of linear equation. Let's see. I'll go with the determinants. Tarun, instead of going for a matrix method, I'll go with the determinant way of solving it. Okay. The Rupa Mandal, you're getting D as an answer. Tarun, you're getting C. Anyone else who is going to give me an answer? So D, I'll take it as 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 2, 2, 3, A square minus 1. Hai? This is what D is. Okay. Let's see when it is equal to 0. When it is equal to 0, what happens? Okay. When it is equal to 0, it can be inconsistent also. It can have infinitely many solutions also. Let's see what happens. So when I solve this D, I get A square minus 3. That's what I get is equal to 0. Hai? So A would be root 3. Determinant mod of A would be root 3. Am I right? Now for this value, it should become inconsistent. But I'll have to also find that for this value, if any values of D1, D2 and D3 is not equal to 0, then we should, if they are equal to 0, then infinitely many solution will come. So let's look at D3. D3, what I'll get? D3 would be, I'll take the first two columns same, 1, 2, 2, 1, 3, 3, and the third column will be replaced by D1, D2 and D3. Hai? 2, 5, A plus 1. Am I right? And D3 would, when I'll open it up, I'll get A minus 4. So I clearly find that when I put root 3 here, plus minus root 3, minus 4 will not become 0. Hai? So that means I'll have it inconsistent when determinant A is root 3. So this is what I'll get. Okay, yes, Tanya, D is the right answer. Dilip Ratha, D is the answer. Perfect. I hope everybody got it. Hai? I hope you understand why did I calculate D3, because at root 3 value the answer should not be equal to 0. Then only it will be inconsistent. If it becomes 0, D1, D2, D3, all three of them become 0, then you have infinitely many solutions. Okay. Anyway, that is not the choice. So in any case, we go to the next question. Can I move on to the next question, students? Can I move on to the next question? Hello, I'm waiting for your node. Yes. I have already told the conditions for consistent, inconsistent and infinitely many in yesterday's lecture. Ayush, you can just revise the yesterday's lecture. You will be able to get. Okay. So we have those conditions I have already defined. Okay. If the system of equation has a non-trivial solution, okay, you understand what is a non-trivial solution? It is a solution when all three are not 0, all three variables are not 0. That's known as a non-trivial solution. Okay, Jatinraj, you got plus 4. Tarun, by now you have got minus 4. Okay, Asmita, plus 4. Okay, Ritu, Sani, yeah, I'll go ahead. If the system of equation has a non-trivial solution, then this is equal to. That's what you need to find. Okay. Tell me, how would you do it? Tarun, A you are getting. Okay, so quick. A. Already done this question? Are you sure of? A is what? 0.75. Huh? Okay, who else is going to give me an answer? Who else is going to give me an answer? Yes, tell me. Monica Nayak, Mona Lisa Nayak, A. Okay. Who else? A, you are getting 0.75. Aditya, answer is 0.5. You mean to say B is the answer, Aditya? Okay. Let's see. And this being the last question for today, huh? This is the last question for today, students. Acha, Ayush, you did not get any notification of yesterday class. No problem. That's a recorded lecture. You can always go through that section. Non-trivial. Asmita, non-trivial means, first of all, understand what's a trivial solution. Trivial solution when all x and y and z are 0. All three are 0. So obviously that would satisfy. When x is 0, y is 0, z is 0. This would be 0. Similarly, this would be 0. So apart from it, if there is a non-trivial solution, then what is the condition? That's what the question is. So if it has a non-trivial solution, in that case, we should have the determinant of these xyz values, that is 2, 3, minus 1, then 1, k, minus 2, and 2, minus 1, 1. That's equal to 0. For the trivial solution, we should have this condition. Minakshi B, Ashit Shikhar B. Okay. Ashit Shikhar 0.5 you are getting. Okay. So when we solve it, what do we get? Tell me. Hello? What do we get? 2, 3 minus 1, 1, k minus 2, 2 minus 1, 1. So what's the value of k we are getting? I think if I solve it, I'll get k is equal to 9 by 2. Am I right? K is equal to 9 by 2. Okay? Determinant value of the matrix will be 0 now, sir, if it is non-trivial. You're right only. This is the determinant value we are getting. Okay? You're right, Senthil. Yanvi, k is equal to 9 by 2. So when I put it here, what are the values of x, y, z I am getting? 2x plus 3y minus z is equal to 0. The second equation becomes, I'll put 9 by 2, so I'll get 2x plus 9y minus 4z is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Then I have the equation 2x minus y plus z is equal to 0. These are the three equations which I'll get. Am I right? Yes, Venkatesh, hello. So, these are the equations which we are going to get. Now, we have first Dilip Ratha B, Aditya 0.5. Okay. I take your answer. The answer is B only. So what do we have? From 1 and 2. 1 and 2. Let's this be called as 1. This be called as 2. And this be called as 3. Okay. These are the three equations. Okay. From 1 and 2, what do we get? 1 plus 3. 1 and 3 if you add. So z and z would go 1 and 3. Am I right? From 1 and 3, if I add these two, what do I get? I get 4x plus 3y minus y is 2y. 2y is equal to 0. Am I right? Hello? So 4x equal to 2y. That means x by y is equal to minus 2. X by y is equal to minus half, sorry. Minus half. Am I right? The x by y value I got. Okay. Now, next. 1 minus 3 I'll do. 1 minus 3. This I'll do. What do I get? When I subtract 1 and minus 3, I get 2x and 2x would get cancelled. 3y minus y will become 4y. And minus z and minus z will become minus 2z. And on the other side it will become 2z. Okay? So what do I want? I want y by z. So y by z would be what? Y by z would be 1 by 2. Y by z would be 1 by 2. Am I right? Then I take 1 plus 3i3. 1 plus 3 I3. Okay, 1 matlab the first equation, 1 plus 3I3 I do. So what do I get? I get 8x plus 2z, because this will become 6x, 6x and 2x will become 8x, sorry. Y would cancel, 3y and minus 3y would cancel, minus z and 3z will become 2z, है ना? That's equal to 0. Okay? Then what do we have? We have x upon z, है ना? From here we get x upon z. What do we get x upon z as? Minus 1 by 4. Am I right? Minus 1 by 4 I'll get. Thank you, Aditya. Shared the lecture like the fire. Okay, Aditya. Thanks. So z by x is what? Instead of x by z, I want z by x. है ना? If I put it here, x by y. What x by y I got? Minus half. What y by z I got? Half. है ना? What is z by x? Z by x. Z by x. I did it right now, bhai. 2 minus 2z and 8 minus 1 by 4. So instead of that, I want z by x, है ना? So z by x would be minus 4. Am I right? And plus k. K we calculated something 9 by 2. So this is what we get. Half and half gone, and this we get as 1 by 2. है ना? So that is 0.5 only. I hope this is right. Yes, Aditya, Gyanvi. Yeah, this was the last question, Gyanvi. This was the last question which we were doing. I hope everybody enjoyed the session. Yes, a student? Yes. Yeah, this was the last. Mona Lisa, can somebody tell me what is the score you are getting? Jatin Raj, 7 correct from 8 questions. Very good, Jatin. Very good. Tanya, and rest of you can give me the score. Let's rejoice at our, success on our attempts. Asmita, okay. Okay, Jatin Raj, 27 marks. Very good. Out of 32 you are getting. है ना? Okay, PV Hamid, thanks for the appreciation. So see you tomorrow. What is the topic for tomorrow, students? Huh? What is the topic for tomorrow? Ayush, you got 6 correct out of 8. 8. There were 8 questions. Tarun, 27 you are getting. Gyanvi, you solved 3 questions on the time limit. Okay. Now, next session would be sequence and series, students. Sequence and series. First, we'll go through the theory. In the theoretical portion, we'll learn specifically difference series, double difference series, then difference series when we have GP as the difference. Then we'll also do telescopic sum. Okay. Bye, Jatin. So tomorrow's session would also become very important. Then means and their use. Okay. Jatin, your favorite part. Okay. Well done. Okay. See you guys next time. Hana? Bye. So, a technical person can stop this session. Bye. Bye.